Hi everyone.
Morning.
Welcome back to another beautiful day in Vigo.
It is
It's
lovely.
absolutely scorchio today, which is fine, so we're just going to have to be a little bit careful. So today we're going to go down towards the dock area, see what's down there, get some food, get some drinks,
Yeah,
get
see what's on the seafront.
Yeah, just have a look round. First of all though, we're heading this way because we want to try and find the railway station ready for tomorrow, because we leave tomorrow and go somewhere else, and we don't want to be panicking in the morning trying to find it. It's not very far, so we're heading down this way, start at the train station, work our way along, see what happens. Tell you what, I can't believe how quiet it is for a city. It's absolutely brilliant. I think we take a right here, Lindsay.
Come and have a look at this.
What is it? Pizza man.
Yeah,
making his.
Make pizzas.
Yeah, look. Oh, I think, Lindsay, it's along here somewhere, but I can't see it. Unless it's the next street down. Look at these queuing up for the bakery over there.
Wow.
Must be a good one.
I'm not queuing up for a cake.
Somebody's car alarm.
I say, nobody cares.
Right, I'm thinking we should be able to see it in a minute. Here it is. Here it is. Should we go and have a look inside? Just so we've got the full picture for in the morning, yeah? There we go. Platforms.
Well, that answers the question then, doesn't it?
That's it. So we've just got to get here in the morning and see what platform we're on then, yeah?
Yeah.
Easy enough, won't it? 10-minute walk, maybe?
Yeah, it'll be
No
easier
more,
in the
was
morning.
it?
We'll know where
Yeah.
we're going
Yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah.
So.
Great stuff. Right, come on.
Cool.
I need a drink and something to eat. Little coffee and a croissant or something, shall we?
Yeah, we need something.
Yeah. We did pass a few cafes, didn't we, on the way here, just so. Let's pick one, shall we? There was a nice cafe that I saw yesterday when we were walking that way. But I can't find it again now, so I don't know. We're bound to find it in a minute, aren't we?
Yeah, we'll probably see it when we don't want it now, but
Yeah. Never
this
mind.
looks nice.
Yeah,
Got
this will
something
do.
coming, hopefully. So,
This will do.
yeah.
2 cappuccinos, 2 croissants.
Por favor.
Nice.
I don't think it's big enough.
Look. Like a rugby ball. Right, is it any good? That's the thing. That's a big question, isn't it? Nice and soft. Could do with a bit of jam or something with it.
All right, can I get to mine before the birds do now?
Yeah.
Thank you. I think we're going to have to cross over and go down there to get down to the front.
What about down there, no? Or the next one?
I'd go down the next one. That looks a bit busy with traffic. Let's go
Yeah.
down the quieter one.
Okay. Just want to have a look. I noticed a really nice place to eat yesterday on the way back to the hotel last night.
Okay.
And I just want to make sure it's open because not everywhere is open because it's Sunday today. That bar that we went into last night when everyone else was kind of shut and was open yesterday over there. That's
shut now.
That's shut today. So just want to make sure that this place that I've got my eye on is open.
Let's go and have a look then.
Problem is I can't remember exactly where it was.
We'll find it.
It's off one of these streets somewhere.
It's there.
There it is. Is it open? What's it called? Samandiego.
I don't think it's open because there'll be chairs outside.
Oh, I'll be gutted if it's not. It looked amazing. Did like, well, you saw it. It's
We've done
like
a
the
snapshot
dry
of it,
cured
but
hams, and yeah, it was
we've-
brilliant. But I'm afraid
It looks as though
it's not open.
we're out of luck. No, it's not.
Nope. We're out of luck. That's a shame. That would have been good in there.
It would have been fantastic in there.
Oh no. Never mind. Never mind. Keep your eye out for somewhere else. I just fancy some real good Spanish food. You know.
I like the idea. It was like tapas with wine as well.
Yeah,
it was one of them places. It's more of a delicatessen shop.
Yeah.
Wine shop. You know, it was a bit of everything, and we kept saying we were going to go, and we haven't, and now we can't. Worst comes to the worst, we go back into the pedestrian area where we were yesterday in that square.
In that square, yeah.
There was lots of places to eat there.
But I'm gonna make my choice a little bit better, hopefully, today than yesterday.
You'll have the chicken Caesar salad.
Oh no, I just fancied something different, but they put red crap all over it. Waiter, there seems to be some red crap on my salad. Looking nice. Fancy a boat trip?
No. I am not going on another boat.
I am not going on a boat.
But saying that, I would like to own a private yacht one day.
Oh, no. If you don't like boats, you don't like boats.
Yeah, but your own yacht would be different.
Anyway, do you want some good news?
What?
I can see a bar up here right next to the water.
Wow. Come on then.
Actually, let's walk round that side. See where these are over there, look. Let's walk round that side. I think you can get through, look.
Can you?
All the way. I'm sure they're walking still over there, look.
Can't walk round. There's a gap.
Can't you?
No.
Where?
How would the boats get in and out?
Well, yeah, I suppose so.
Between the red and green lighthouse things.
I know. Yeah.
You can go for a walk and a swim. But
So we can't walk that way, no.
can't walk all the way round, no.
There's some islands. You see that land over there? There's some islands just off Vigo. I can't remember what they're called. Something like it's spelled C-I-E-S, but I think you say it like phase or something like that. I don't know. Probably killed it, but I'm not sure if that's them or one of them, or whether that's part of the mainland there. I'm not really sure. It's very close. But yeah, I think there's about 3 islands that are part of Vigo. Yeah, look, they've even reserved us a table, Lindsay, in the end. This isn't us, by the way.
No.
Not yet. Ready for this, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Gracias.
Thank you.
Service with a smile.
Cheers.
I've just read on the internet, 0.7 miles away is the high point of Vigo, where you get brilliant views of the whole city. I mean, it's going to be a climb, but should we head for it? Slowly head for it. Stop off, have a few drinks, bit to eat, but that will make that our destination, shall we?
Which direction is it? Obviously uphill.
Behind you.
Okay.
Sort of that way.
Right. Yeah, go on.
Don't look too pleased about it. It will be uphill, obviously.
Okay.
But we can take our time, can't we?
Yeah.
Should we go and should we pay up and get gone?
Yes.
Come on then.
No, please, Alan. I insist you sit down and let me go and pay. Just, yeah. See you in a minute.
There she goes. Paying again.
Yeah.
How much was that?
€5.60. Wasn't too bad.
Can't be bad. Right. It's what we can go up at either one. We can either go that one or that one over there. That one over there was where we came down the hill from that square.
That's the restaurant that was closed.
Yeah. Come on.
Yesterday.
Shall we head up that way?
So we know if we go up there, you get into that pedestrian square, like that
Yeah.
pedestrian area.
Well, we can go through there. I bet this will take us through there.
Right, do you know
Right, I think we need to go up that where we came down yesterday.
Right. Well,
Where that restaurant was closed.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that's what we said. Yeah, go on then.
This side. Up this way. Come on, let the climb commence. You want some good news? There's an escalator.
The bad news is it's not on.
I don't know. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's working.
Oh, good.
I think we go up this escalator now. Not sure.
Okay.
Should we have a drink here?
Yeah.
Maybe grab something to eat.
Okay. Shall we get 4 tapas, please? And a couple of beers.
4 tapas, 2 beers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? Thank you. Thank you.
All good on? Fluent Spanish?
No. Got a Spanish finger. Points. Right.
Cheers.
Spanish omelette. Chicken fingers.
With barbecue sauce, yeah.
Croquettes. And empanada.
Empanada with beef, yeah?
I hope it is. If it's with mussels, we'll, yeah.
The choice was mussels or beef.
I asked for beef.
Okay. You've got beef?
Right, good. I think we've got too much here.
No. I think so. We'll give it a good go. What are these, croquettes? They're nice.
Okay.
Well, I've got bits of ham in as well.
Yeah.
Chicken fingers with barbecue sauce. Just like crispy chicken strips.
They're nice though. Right.
Yeah. Try a bit of the Spanish omelette. Lovely.
There's not much left. My favourite was the empanada. The omelette was a little bit, I don't know, not bland, just a little bit for me. But did you like the omelette?
I liked it, but like you say,
It could have been a bit tastier, I think. So
chicken strips were okay. It was all right.
I think the croquettes were lovely as well. So
I'm disappointed that place was shut originally,
Yes,
because I think that would have been amazing.
do we think we've finally sorted out which direction?
Yeah, come on.
Right.
Easy, isn't it? This climb.
Easier again. Another little bit.
Seen it? There's 2 more.
Oh, yeah. He's storming off without me. I hope he does know where he's going.
The park's just here.
Oh, I hope this is worth it.
You're on about you've had a lift most of the way here, then escalators.
I know, it's 32 degrees.
I know. I know.
Police station.
All right. Can just start seeing the sea now from here, look.
It's that cross that they're sitting at there.
It might be. I think it's further into the park though, the actual vantage point. Coming up?
No.
Come on, it's worth it. It's a bit further than this though. It's a long way, but you'll be glad you did it. It's more than this.
Pardon?
It's a bit higher, yeah, it's more than this.
Oh, God.
It's a long way, but you'll be so glad you did it. Come on.
How many more steps?
No, not many now.
This would be it.
Can you see anything?
Pardon?
Through the door. I think we're finally at the top. Is it worth it?
My breath back. Yes. By the look of this, yes.
Well done. You made it. Well, we both made it.
So let me just get my breath back.
Oh, look at this. Incredible.
Well, there's your islands.
Oh, yeah, that'll be the islands then. Yeah. Look at that. Stunning. Look from this side. Got to be worth it just to see it, isn't it?
It's stunning. It is absolutely stunning.
Brilliant, eh? Got a bit of a sweat on.
Oh, I've got a lot of a sweat on.
So have I. Puffing and panting.
We need to go and get a drink of water somewhere.
Yeah, we definitely do. Yep. Well, there we go. Vigo. Well, there we are. We've reached the top.
Yeah, and it was worth it.
It was worth the
views
sweat.
Are stunning.
Yeah,
Yes, yeah.
absolutely, yeah.
Every drop.
So we've reached the summit, and that's where we reached the end of our stay in Vigo as well.
Yeah.
We've really enjoyed it. Great place. £15 flight, one way. But the good news is we're off somewhere else tomorrow. So I hope you can join us.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and all that malarkey. Let's get gone, and we'll see you next time.
See you soon.